hell?
Hello, I am back again with another lifting video. I'm just gonna live react to the video that I just edited. So this is another training session. I am doing some, what am I doing? I'm doing some overhead squats. We're warming up with the bar. Today was a Sunday, so it was not today, but the day I recorded this was a Sunday. So it's team training day, so there's a bunch of weightlifters at the gym just training together. A couple of them, a handful of them actually are going to the Arnold Strength Sports Festival in Ohio next month. Is it next month? At the end of the month, actually. So Ed, Priscilla, Ellie, who you'll see later, are competing. There's a few other people, but I'm going to just to watch because I've never been to the Arnold Sports Festival, and it looks like fun. I'm just gonna go support my friend and see what happens. Now, what am I doing? I'm still warming up for the overhead squats. I'm just working up to like 85% of my snatch max, which is 55 kilo.
The bar is so cold. The bar is so cold. I wanna do this.
Yeah, it was really cold yesterday.
Yeah, they should. Some people like live in their garage and it's like there's no heating. How?
But yeah, anyway, I'm just working up to, that's it, I think. No, I'm going up.
Two more
Am I going up?
times.
These clips are kind of out of order, bro. Who edited this? Who edited this? It was me. So that was the top set. This was another warm-up set. I don't know why these are out of order. I obviously did not edit this right. I'm using CapCut to edit.
I keep forgetting how many sets I did, but I checked the cameras and it's 3, so I just need to do.
Yeah, usually I use Premiere to edit, and I don't have Premiere right now. So I'm using CapCut, and I'm just trying to get it done really fast because editing takes a long time, and I'm tired. There's a lot of weird noises in weightlifting. So I did 4 sets of overhead squats, and now I'm just gonna warming up for a snatch complex. It's 2 snatch pulls and 1 full snatch. That's a full snatch.
Is it? One centimeter.
That's such like a meathead conversation, talking about barbell sizes.
What the hell? Weightlifting team jacket. Weightlifting team jacket. Okay, it's getting hot. My hands. Wrist. Faster elbows. Work.
These warm-ups look really good, but when I got to the top set, I had to do 6 sets, and at 47 kilo. I'm supposed to pause at the knee. And that pause at the knee was really messing with me. The weight is technically not that heavy, but after that pause at the knee, I was just somehow out of position.
My hands hurt so
And if you
bad.
saw my other video from the other day, my hands are wrecked from using the barbell at home without chalk,
Nobody's watching.
without straps.
Woo, got chalk in my eyes.
I didn't realize Priscilla was recording me the whole time. That's Priscilla. You can find her on YouTube as well. What's her handle? Bro, I don't even remember. I'll put it in the description and on the screen. See the pause? It's frustrating because I felt like I should have gotten it. Snatch is just... Felt like I should have gotten that one too. I mean, shouldn't you feel like you should have gotten all of them, but you know, whatever.
This little pause at the knee. Stop. I'm jumping forward every time. I don't know about this.
Spoiler alert, it helped a little bit.
Huh? I didn't jump.
That's Kenny, by the way. He's everybody's coach. Senior national champion. How many times? I don't know. Anyway, yeah. That's the end of the workout because I had to leave to go to work. I did accessories at home though. No video.